As the sun ascends in the morning sky, casting its warm and golden rays upon the world, we are reminded of the profound wisdom encapsulated in the words, "Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you." This timeless advice, often attributed to the celebrated poet Walt Whitman, serves as a beacon of inspiration and a guiding principle for navigating the complexities of life. In its essence, this quote implores us to adopt a positive and forward-looking perspective. It encourages us to focus on the bright and optimistic aspects of our existence, much like turning one's face towards the radiant sun. Just as the sun is the source of light and life, embracing positivity can illuminate our path and nurture our personal growth. Life, much like nature, is replete with both light and shadow. Challenges, setbacks, and uncertainties cast shadows that can easily engulf our thoughts and emotions. Yet, the wisdom inherent in these words suggests a transformative power lies in our attitude. By consciously choosing to face the sunshine, to seek out the positive aspects of our experiences, we can diminish the impact of life's shadows. It is a reminder that our perspective is a powerful lens through which we perceive and interact with the world. This maxim also speaks to resilience and perseverance. In the face of adversity, maintaining an unwavering focus on the positive can empower us to overcome obstacles. Rather than succumbing to the darkness of challenges, we can draw strength from the light within and around us. This philosophy is not an evasion of reality, but a conscious decision to confront life with optimism and courage. Moreover, the quote underscores the importance of mindfulness and intentionality in our daily lives. It encourages us to be intentional about where we direct our attention and energy. In a world that often bombards us with negativity, choosing to orient ourselves toward the sunshine becomes an act of self-care and self-preservation. As we reflect on these words on their one-year anniversary, let us internalize the profound simplicity of this advice. Let us celebrate the power we hold to shape our experiences through the direction of our gaze, and may the coming years be filled with the warmth and brilliance of a face turned towards the sunshine.